In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the Docusign frame from a signature. This is a quick and efficient process, and we're going to guide you through it step by step. Let's get started and make sure your signatures look neat and professional. First, head over to Docusign's official website. This platform is renowned for its capability in managing electronic signatures and intelligent agreements. Once you're on their homepage, locate and click on the Login button. If you already have a Docusign account, enter your login credentials. If you're new, take a moment to sign up. Having your account ready ensures you can access all the features we'll be working with today. After logging in, you will be directed to the Docusign home. This is your main dashboard where you manage all your documents and templates. From here, find and click on Templates. If you're unfamiliar with templates, they're a handy feature that allows you to save and reuse document formats for future use. Select a template that contains the signature you wish to adjust. Once a template is selected, it's time to add or review the details specific to your document. This might include the names of the signers, their email addresses, and any relevant document information. Carefully review this to ensure everything is correct. With your details in place, click on the Next button to proceed to the document preparation page. Now that you're in the document preparation phase, you'll want to look for the option labeled Standard Fields. Click on it to display a selection of fields you can add to your document. What we're interested in today is the signature field. Select it and position it over the area of your document where you need a signature. Here's the trick to eliminating that frame. Resize the signature field tightly around the actual signature area. Ensure the field fits snugly to the edges of the signature itself, minimizing excess white space and effectively trimming the frame. By following these straightforward steps, you can ensure your signatures are crisp, professional, and free from unnecessary framing. This small adjustment can enhance the appearance of your document significantly, presenting a polished and professional image in all your digital correspondences. And there you have it. You can now remove the Docusign frame from signatures with ease and finesse. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your document management more efficient and visually appealing. Until next time, happy signing.